Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? It's Dave. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, do an old man, a solid, a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know? Who doesn't love Amazon? I mean, I ordered this yesterday. It's here today. And it's got the easy opening. I don't even have to play with a knife. Oh, I spoke too soon. I'm gonna need a knife. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Concentrate. Oh, maybe not. I'm gonna get it. Now, why, pray tell, would I need 3M K locking loops? Trade name, oh man, trade name is Velcro. Holy smokes. You gotta be kidding me. Whew. Now, let me explain what happened. This right here, that I got all mucked up now with duct tape, we gotta get the, the only thing that's gonna be around during the end of the world is cockroaches, Twinkies, and duct tape. Holy. I don't need glasses to get, ow, I stabbed myself. I don't need glasses to get this stuff. Tape it. Oh. Now that I got this semi-cleaned up and all stuck to my fingers, what this is there's a backboard in case you have an accident in the water and you don't know if there's deck damage. This kind of, one side fell off, but it keeps your head stable. But the sucker, the Velcro fell off. So I am going to do a quick fix instead of paying $898 for a new backboard. So let me see how this goes. I'll be right back. That'll work. Okay, it's gonna stick. I think it's really gonna work. So let's mount this sucker up. Okay, here goes nothing. You would think You would think I could get this off, wouldn't you guys? Check it out. I'm 99.99999% sure this will solve the problem. I'm going to go downstairs, put it on, and hopefully I'm done with this project for today. Okay, backboard's back in business. Project done. Well, it went very easy. The job is complete. It is gonna be hot today and humid. I think they're talking in the 90s. So hopefully my day is easy and I can just go hang out down by the pool and make sure everybody's behaving. So that's it for today. Have a great day, great night. Whenever the hell you're watching this, be well, stay safe. And hopefully I get to see you again real soon. Peace out.